Hey everyone, it's Brian from Greenlight Surf Supply. In this video I'll show you how to glue up an engineered EPS blank that we ship to you, and we ship it to you in half. So it saves you a lot of money in freight costs, and it's a real simple process to glue your blank up and start shaping. We also have a video for how to glue up a custom outline cut blank if you choose to have your blank cut by our thermal hot wire cutter by your design. So check that video out. Same process, just a little different because it's a custom outline. So check that out. And here we go. We'll glue this one up. Okay, we'll start off by laying out our bungee glue up blocks. One in the tail, one in the midpoint, one at the nose. We'll just lay our blank right on that. Just get them all lined up. Pop some gloves on because it's kind of hard to get this expanding glue off your hands if you do happen to get any on there. So we're going to use the expanding stringer glue and a mixing stick or popsicle stick. And we're simply going to squeeze the glue out in a S pattern like this on one side of the blank. And you can note that we pre-cut each side of the blank so they're dead flat. So just make sure you use the side that's saw cut so there's no warpage at all. So just spread out the glue. Make sure you completely get it all the way to the edges of the blank, and try not to let it come over. You want to keep it clean. The cleaner it is, the nicer it turns out, less work you have to do. Make sure you get all the way to the nose and tail. And if you need more in any area, go ahead and put it on. Remember, you have two sides to glue, so use the glue wisely. This was more than enough glue for both sides. All right, same thing for this side. You want to make sure that the blank, you're gluing that side that's saw cut, and the blank rocker is pointing to each other, so when you flip it, it'll be that you glued the right side, and it'll be correct. All right, we'll take our stringer, line it up with the bottom piece. And then flip the top piece over, line it up with the stringer right here. So make sure everything's squared up so you don't have any ledges. So when you shape, everything's level. You don't have to level anything out. The blanks are cut up, all squared up, so it's easy. Just take your time. You got plenty of time with the glue. All right, then take your bungee blocks. Just pull this side up and hold on to it so it's a bungee. It's going to flip back, so just hold on to it. Take the other side and put it right in that notch. And that gives nice pressure, nice even pressure, strong. It'll hold everything in place while the glue dries. Give any little adjustments you need to keep it square. All right, now take a paper towel and clean up anything that squeezed out, any glue that's on the blank itself. Just give it a once over. And that's it. We'll let it cure, and then we're ready to shape. Okay, we'll unclip the bungee blocks now. Then we're all set. And there you have it. Easy to glue up, cheap to ship, ready to shape. So watch our other videos on how to shape them, and subscribe, like, all that stuff. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.